BeautyFIX is a skincare-focused beauty subscription box. Has released the full spoilers for the October 2025 box. The box is $24.95 per month. If I do happen to get this in PR, I will do a full review for you. The kit will include Medigate Hydrate B5 Intense full size $72 value. Jane Iredale Color Luxe Hydrating Cream Lipstick in Scarlet is full size $34 value. Verso Eye Cream with Oat, it's full size $45 value. SkinCeuticals Advanced RGN 6 Regenerative Cream, it is deluxe 4mm $15 value. R Plus Co. Chainmail Thermal Protection Spray. It is a deluxe 1 ounce, $4 value. Let me know if this is one you guys are thinking about picking up. Hope you're having a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.